Guys, we got new toys, and they are Toy Story 4, of course. Alright, these are super cool Flextreme bendable figures. Pretty excited about these. I know Mav is going to love these, so we are going to get to open them first, and then we're going to give them to Mav, see what he thinks. So, let's see. How do we get these guys open here? Alright, so first, we got Peep. Duh. And let's test it out here. Okay, so bendable actually is pretty cool. Yeah, look at that. Bend just like that. Alright. Moving on to my favorite character. My new favorite, Forky. Alright. One arm longer than the other, as you can see. Who doesn't love Forky? Buzz Lightyear. Oh yeah, look at that. Just bends. Get him to do all kinds of weird stuff. Is that gonna stand up though? Yeah, it is. And last but definitely not least, Woody. There you go. Pretty cool. The bend is very cool. It's just, I mean, you know, what else do you want out of a Toy Story toy? Can't break. Heads can't come off. We had that problem with another toy. So we can get Peep. Oh, there we go. Standing. Yeah. Woody. Standing. Can we get him to stand? Can we? There we go. Alright, there we go. Okay, you ready, Mav? What? What? Two Buzz? Two Buzz? Whoa.
Woody.
Who's this?
Woody.
Who's this?
Woody.
Is it?
Woody.
Here, let me hold this Buzz. Put this Buzz down. Who's this?
Woody.
What?
Woody.
Yay!
Woody.
You got him.
Woody.
Look, they stand up.
Whoa.
Wow.
Bobby.
What?
Bobby.
What?
Bobby.
Peep? No way.
No way.
Yeah, no way.
Woody.
Oh no. Who's this?
Woody.
No, who's this?
Woody.
Who's this?
Woody.
Who's this?
Woody.
Mav, who's this guy?
Woody.
Forky?
Woody.
Forky? Whoa. You have Buzz and Woody? Bo Peep
Anna.
and Forky?
Anna.
Oh no.
Woody.
Whoa.
Woody.
Oh, Woody. Buzz. Yeah. Where's Bo Peep?
Puppy.
Where's Forky?
Okay. Bitty.
Yeah. Good job.
Anna.
Oh no, Woody. Oh no.
Butter.
Fall down. There we go.
But.
Yeah, Buzz. Whoa.
Pa.
There it is.
Woody.